Today we will discuss more examples on the probability. And later, if time permits, we'll have the look on conditional probability. Screen this day, Sarvana.
हो सर.
Yes, sir.
So this is lecture number 8 of your unit 1. So I'm writing statement of example. Next example, it is example number 7. If a letter is chosen at random, if a letter is chosen, it is chosen from set of 26 alphabets. Chosen randomly. This is your experiment from the English alphabet. How many are the Marathi alphabet? Can anyone tell me? Yes. आवाज का clear? 48. Okay. Is this correct? Find the probability. Okay, one letter is chosen from English alphabet. And now what is asked? Find the probability that a letter, that bit A, B, C, D, A is letter, B is letter, like that. A letter first. There are two types of letter. One is can call it as vowels, and remaining are consonants. Letter is a vowel. Exclusive of Y. Y is not vowel, but it is just mentioned for the confusion. Exclusive of Y. Y ला सोडून vowels घ्यायचे असा त्याचा अर्थ आहे. But Y is not vowel, so out of 5 you are taking 1. By mistakenly somebody may write it is from 4. Exclusive of Y means may be chosen from 4. So Y is not vowel. So you are chosen from the vowel A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels among which one letter is chosen. So whatever letter from that alphabet 26 you are choosing, that should be A or E or I or O or U. Any one letter of these. And second is listed somewhere ahead. Is listed somewhere ahead. Is listed somewhere ahead of the letter J. Of letter J. J च्या अगोदर किती लेटर ते काउंट करायचे त्यापैकी एक घ्यायचं आपल्याला. And the third is listed somewhere. Is listed somewhere after the letter G. After the letter G. Okay. So your sample space consists of 26 alphabets, 26 letters. So your capital N will be all letters have equally, it is not mentioned, so all letters have equally chance of to come. So your N is 26. Okay. Now solve. The event A is a vowel, a letter is vowel. A letter chosen. A letter chosen is vowel exclusive of Y. So vowel exclusive of Y, Y is not vowel, but these are the vowels. So out of 5, you are choosing 1. So 5, choose 1 is your N for this. The number of elements in E. So it's 5. So there are 5 ways. Choose one letter from that out of 5 letters. So what is the probability of this? 5 by 26, one can easily write. So probability of choosing this event is 5 by 26. So this was simple. Nextly, second B part. Okay. What was B part? In the B part, your event is a letter ahead of J. Ahead of J means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Ahead of J. These are the letters ahead of J. So number is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So out of 9, one letter is chosen. So 9. The probability of getting this A is 9 by 26. Next C part, event B, I can call it as event B is who are listed somewhere after letter G. After letter G काय येते? H, I, J, and so on Z. So just count what is the size of this B. Okay, and you can choose from 1. किती आहेत ते बघा आता याच्या अगोदर हे किती आहेत 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they are 19. After G there are 19. So 19 1 is 19. So probability of letter chosen after G is 19 by 26. Okay. Next example number 8. If a permutation of word white is, if a permutation of a word white, 5 letters, WHIT, the permutation of the word. Rearrangement करायचं म्हणजे 5 factorial permute करू शकता पण if the permutation of the word white is selected at random, there are total 5 factorial permutations. 125 factorial means selected at random. This is an experiment. Find the probability that find the probability that the first begins with consonant. The letter begins with consonant. Second, ends with vowel. And third, has consonant and vowels alternating. Has consonant and vowel alternating. So what is N? The permutation of word white. This white is consist of 5 letters. The permutation is 5 factorial, there's 120. Now, whatever word you are going to write is white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Whatever word you are going to write, it should be begin with consonants. So how many consonants are there in the word white? W is consonant, H is consonant, I is vowel, T is consonant, and E is vowel. So you have only 3 consonants. So at first places, these 3 letters can come. At this first places, any 3 letters. One may write W, one may write H, one may write H, one may write T. So this first box has 3 choices. So priority is that the first letter should of that white must be whatever during permutation it must be out of these 3. So out of these 3 there are 3 ways to get here. W, H, T, whatever it may you have. Now the remaining how many are there? नंतर राहिलेले किती आहेत? आता एक लेटर आलं तर राहिलेले 4 आहेत. याला 4 वेळा वेज आहेत, याला 3 वेळा वेज आहेत, याचे 2. इकडे कंडिशन काहीच नाही, इकडे काही काही ना, पण राहिलेले लेटर्स इथे लिहायचे तुम्हाला. तो WHT पैकी कोणताही एक आला तर बाकी 4 पैकी इथे एक येईल. इथे 2 गेले तर बाकी 3 पैकी इथे येईल. बाकी हे वरचे 3 गेले तर राहिलेल्या 2 पैकी येईल. आणि हे अरेंजमेंट करतो या प्रकारे. 6 प्रॉडक्ट किती येतंय पहा. These are the number of ways to begin with consonants. These are the number of ways to begin with consonant. If your event is begin with consonants, these are the number of ways begin with consonants. So 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24, 24 into 3. बघा हे calculation करा. It is 72. So the probability of event begins with consonant. Where suppose you call B begins with consonant, I call this as B. It is 72 divided by 120. It is 2 by 5. Let me take answer. The answer is not written here. Okay. Okay. No, it's not 2 by 5. Answer is 3 by 5. Okay. It's a 3 by 5. Right. So 3 into 4 factorial divided by 5 factorial. Like that you can. आले लक्षात? लक्षात येते त्याच्या? ओके. आता त्याचा बी पार्ट पाहूयात. Let me increase the size. Okay. या ठिकाणी बी पार्ट पाहूया त्याचं. What is B part? It ends with vowel. So priority is that the last letter should be vowel. So how many vowels are in the alphabet? There are I and E. So this has 2 choices. And remaining, it has 4 choices, it has 3 choices, it has 2 choices, it has 1 choices. So 4 factorial into 2, so it is 48 total number. So 48 divided by 120. And you can further calculate this. Oh, this has answer 2 by 5, it is correct. And what is third part? Has the consonant and vowels alternating. Okay, one way you can write, one alternate way write and choose that from. So 2 vowels and 3 consonants. Suppose Y, W, H, E. I can take here. So here you have E and I, or I and E, whatever you can write. तर हा E आणि I ला विसरून जा सध्या इथे या ठिकाणी. त्या WHT मध्ये अरेंज करायचं असेल, समजा हे प्लेस फिक्स आहे. WHT मध्ये अरेंज करायचं असेल तर आपल्याला 3 फॅक्टोरियल वेज आहेत. WHT ही ऑर्डर असं लक्षात असं लावायचं आपल्याला WHT. तर we have W can be go here, W can be go here, W can be go here. So W has 3 choices. If W is fixed somewhere, suppose W is fixed in the second place, then H has 2 choices. And if W and H are fixed, then remaining T has only 1 choices. Likewise, this WHT have 3 choices. And now your arrangement is alternating. So this E has 2 choices. So E can go here or here. E has 2 choices and I has 1 choice, so 2 factorial. So this is the total number of ways to rearrange the vowels and consonants alternate. One alternate way you have to write, and then you have to permutation among their places. So your permutation from star is 3 factorial and permutation of plus is 2 factorial. So happening is at the same time. So by multiplication rule, this is 3 factorial into 2 factorial, which is divided by 5 factorial is total number of ways. So it is 2 divided by 5 into 4, 3 factorial will get cancelled. So it is 1 by 10 and answer is correct. 1 upon 10 is correct. Okay. Next example I am going to write. Example number, it is 9. If each coded atom, everyone is requested to mark your attendance. If each, while writing this example only, your attendance should be there. If each coded atom in a catalog mark attendance begins with 3 distinct letters. If each coded atoms in a catalog begins with 3 distinct letters, begins with 3 distinct letters, followed by 4 distinct non-zero digits, 4 distinct, followed by 4 distinct non-zero digits. Find the probability that find the probability of randomly selecting one of those coded atoms, with the first letter vowel, and the last digit is even, This is also simple problem, you can also try, but okay, we discuss here. Okay, if each coded atom, अब एक atom है, it is coded and its catalog begin with 3 letters. So first 3 letters in the codes are from 26 letters. Then the next 4 are, so these are the letters. Just understand problem first. And remaining 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, they are the digits. Which digits? The one atom is coded. We have alphabets. First 3 are the letters, 3 distinct letters. It should be maintained. So n can be calculated easily. So if you choose any one letter from here, the first letter, पहिल्या ठिकाणी याला किती choices आहेत? A येऊ शकतो, B येऊ शकतो, C येऊ शकतो, any out of 26. So this has 26 now ways to get a place over here. Since letters are distinct, once letter is selected here, the remaining letter has 25 ways, because suppose Z is selected here, then remaining 25 out of 25, one may come here. If 25 letters come here, then remaining 24 letters have choices to come over here. Now these letters are followed by non-zero digits. How many non-zero digits are there? Single digits here you should write. Okay. How to write? 1, 2, up to 9. Out of 9, 4 you have to select. So first may be 1, first may be 2, first may be 9. So first cell has 9 choices. How many choices for second cell? Second one, the numbers are also distinct, sir. Over distinct non-zero numbers it is mentioned here. So how many for this? याला आता किती राहतील? एक नंबर 1 ते 9 पैकी एक नंबर इथे सिलेक्ट केला तर राहिले 8 नंबर. इथं 2 नंबर सिलेक्ट केले, 1 ते 9 पैकी राहिले 7 नंबर आणि ते 6. So due to multiplication rule, this happening is at the same time. So apply multiplication rule. You get this much as your n. Okay, just leave that, don't calculate it. Just leave n as it is. So this much codes. एवढे कोड त्या ठिकाणी आहे का, एवढे कोड ज्याचे फर्स्ट 3 लेटर्स हे अल्फाबेट्स आहेत आणि शेवटचे 4 डिजिटचे नॉन झिरो नंबर्स आहेत आणि प्रत्येक वेळेस डिस्टिंक्ट आहे. उदाहरण घ्यायचं ठरलं तर एक कोड या प्रकारचा राहिला, एक कोड कोणत्या प्रकारचा, ABC 1 2 3 4 या प्रकारचे. किती असतील तर ते एवढे असतील. हे कॅल्क्युलेशन केल्यानंतर एवढे असतील, म्हणजे भरपूर आहेत. भरपूर आयटमला कोड तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी बारकोड पण अशाच प्रकारे जनरेट करतात. ओके, दिस n is, keep in mind, 26, 25, 24, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now what is the event? आपला इव्हेंट काय आहे? Who is the event? What's our problem मध्ये? Event is that event E is find the probability of randomly selecting one of those codes items. The first letter is vowel. First letter among the 3 letters, first letter is vowel, and the last digit is even. And last digit is even. So when you are going to write this 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, so your first letter, whatever is your conditions are there. So among these 3 letters, the first letter is vowel. So how many vowels are there? You know, there are 5 vowels. Here you may write A. You have only 5 choices for this because only 5 vowels are there. You can write A, you can write A, E, I, O, U, any one of these. So it has 5 ways. Now there is no condition for second and third. Once letter is go here, the next is 25 ways and next is 24 ways. And at last, the last number is even. How many even numbers are there between this 1 to 9? कोणतरी अनम्यूट करून बोला. 1 to 9 किती even numbers आहेत? 2 is even number, 4 is even number, 6 is even number, 8 is even number. So only 4 are the even numbers. The condition is that last number is even number. So there are only total 4. Out of 4, 1 numbers comes here. Here you may have 2, you may have 4, you may have 6, you may have 8. So there are 4 choices for the last digits. And there is no condition for this. So remaining here you have 8 choices because 1 number goes here out of 9. And then next have 7 choices, 6 and 5. So I'm going to write 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. This has 4 choices. So what is your probability then? This is your small n. The probability is divided by capital N. Who is capital N? 26 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 6 and multiplied by 7. So try to, okay, 26 will not cancel. Cancel the common things. 8, 9, 7. 8 can be cancelled, 7 can be cancelled, 6 can be cancelled, 8, 9, 9 cannot cancel. 9 should be there. 8 and 7. And 6 is also cancelled. So numerator ला काय आहे? 26 आणि 9 राहिलेले आहे. 26 and 9 denominator ला. Numerator ला 5 and 4. So 5 into 4 is 20 divided by 26 into 9. Okay, I can divide it by 2. So 10. So 10 by 117 is the answer. 13 into 9 is 117. So 10 by 17 is the probability to get such code. Which code? Which code? The first should be vowel and last digit should be even number. So that's it.
समजलं नाही सर.
कोणतं? Which one?
लास्ट डिजिट इज इवन.
Okay.
म्हणजे 4 चॉईसेस आहेत ना.
हा, आता हे बघायचं. एक कोड जनरेट करायचा आपल्याला. 3 लेटर्स अल्फाबेट्स आहेत आणि 1 2 3 हे 4 आहेत. आता हे 3चा प्रश्न मिटला. इथं पहिलं बिट्स काय असायला पाहिजे या ठिकाणी?
Vowel.
A-E-I-O-U. किती चॉईसेस आहे तिथे यायला जाण्यासाठी लेटरला? 5 चॉईसेस आहे.
5.
आता एक लेटर गेलं, 26 पैकी एक गेलं म्हणजे खाली किती, इथे किती लेटर आहे तिथला? इथं 25 जण आहेत येणारे. पहिलंच लेटर आपल्याला काय घ्यायचंय? फर्स्ट लेटरच आपल्याला व्हावेल घ्यायचंय, ही कंडिशन आहे. दुसरं काही असो काही असो, एक व्हावेल जरी गेलं तरी ते 26 मधूनच जाणार आहे, म्हणजे 26 वजा 1 25. आणि ह्याला किती चॉईसेस असतील? 24, कारण 2 इथे गेले. 26 पैकी 2 इथे गेले, 24. आता नंबर आधी आपण इव्हन करायचं, आपल्याला कंडिशन काय दिली? इव्हन नंबर पाहिजे. आपण इव्हन नंबरलाच आधी ठरवणार, कारण आपण इकडे घेऊन उपयोग नाही सुरुवातीला. इकडे घेऊन सुरुवातीला 9 असं करून उपयोग नाही. आपल्याला काय कंडिशन, आपली प्रायोरिटी की हा अंक काय पाहिजे? इव्हन पाहिजे. म्हणजे तो त्याचं हा 4 अंकी संख्या इव्हन नंबर केव्हा होईल? शेवटी 2 आलं पाहिजे, शेवटी 4 आलं पाहिजे, शेवटी 6 आलं पाहिजे आणि शेवटी 8 आलं पाहिजे. 1 ते 9 मध्ये एवढेच आहेत ना इव्हन, 1 to 9. मग किती आहेत हे काउंट केलं तर हे 4 आहेत. त्या 4 पैकी कोणी एक जाईल. आता 4 पैकी कोणी एक जाईना, मग या ठिकाणी आता आपण पहिल्यापासून फिल करू, काही इथून कुठं न फिल करा, काही अडचण नाही. या ठिकाणी आता किती? 8 राहतील, कारण इथे एक गेलेला आहे. 2 गेला असेल, 4 गेले, ते एक गेलेला म्हणजे किती राहिले? 8 राहिले. इथं 7 राहिले आणि इथं 6 राहिले, कारण डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर आहे. आणि मल्टिप्लिकेशन रूल प्रमाणे हे which is divided by your n. आलं का लक्षात? येस.
हो सर. येस.
ओके. हे एवढं दोनच होते, याच्यामध्ये एक्झाम्पल तिसरं बी होतं? ओके, हे याच्यामध्ये काय नव्हतं जास्त, एकच स्टेटमेंट होतं याचं. आता एक्झाम्पल नंबर मी घेतो 10. हे तुम्हाला होमवर्क का? अ पेअर ऑफ डाईस, a pair of dice toss, a pair of dice toss, find the probability that, find the probability that getting, you can solve a total of 8. सॉल्व करू शकता नाही? At most total of 5. पेअर ऑफ डाईस टॉस केलं तर आपण त्याचे सॅम्पल स्पेस लिहून आपण लिहू शकतो काय ते 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 and 1, 6. What it means, if your first number is 1, second number may be 1, second number may be 2, second number may be 3. That's all possible outcomes you are writing. You don't know what is getting. Out of 36, there are 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, and 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, and 5, 6. Okay. Now this sample space is consist of 36 items. A total of 8 असलेले कोण आहेत? What is the total of 8? So I just made it circle by this 2, 6 एक आहे, नंतर 3, 5 एक आहे, नंतर 4, 4 आहे आणि
5, 3.
आणि आणखी एक आहे. आणखी कोण आहे? 6, 2 आहे. अच्छा, ते लिहिलंच नाही आपण का? ठीक, ते राहिलेलं आहे आपण. ठीक, या ठिकाणी 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 2 ला गोल करतो. ओके. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So it has a probability 5 by 36. You can write it. And at most total of 5 म्हणजे काय? Your event is such that you are writing A, B such that A plus B is less than or equal to 5. That is the condition. So you write such A, B is less than or equal to 5 among these 36. So I choose different color for this. This is there. This is also there. 1 plus 3, 4 is there. less than, okay, this is there. 1 comma 5 is not there. In the first row, how many items are there? 1 2 3 4. In the second row, 2 comma 1 is there, 2 comma 2 is there, and 2 comma 3 is there. So in the third row, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 6 आहे, 6 त्या ठिकाणी नाही. In the fourth row, 4 comma 1 1 आणि 5 comma 1 इथं नाहीच आहे कोणी. 6 comma 1 नाहीच आहे. म्हणजे किती येते? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you have probability 10 by 36 of it. You can write 5 by 18. And those answers are correct one. One more example we'll discuss. We have 5 minutes in hand. Example number 11. There are more examples. 2 cards are drawn in succession. 2 cards are drawn in the succession from deck of playing card from the deck. Deck means it is also deck of playing card without replacement. Without replacement. What is probability that? What is probability? What is probability that both cards are greater than 2 and less than 8? Both cards are greater than 2 and less than 8. Okay, if your event is the card greater than 2. So who are the cards? दोन पेक्षा मोठे व्हॅल्यू असेल कोणी 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and so on. आपण इव्हेंट ए बी असं करत बसू नये. 2 3 4 5 6 7 हे. आता 2 हा 4 पॅटर्न मध्ये प्रेझेंट आहे. कोणते 4 पॅटर्न? स्पेड्स असेल, क्लब असेल, डायमंड असेल किंवा हार्ट असेल. सो 2 has 4. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 हे जे आहेत. आता ग्रेटर दॅन 2 म्हणल्यावर हा 2 पण त्या ठिकाणी येणार नाही. 1 ग्रेटर दॅन कार्डचं काय पाहिजे? कार्ड वरती नंबर आहेत बघा. आता एक एस नंतर काय असते? सेकंड असतं डायरेक्ट. सेकंड थर्ड 4 5 6 7 10 ला जॅक म्हणतो आपण. 11 आणि 12 याप्रमाणे. 10 ला जॅक म्हणतो की 11? 10 कार्ड आहे, आपण 11 ला जॅक म्हणतो. जॅक, क्वीन अँड क्वीन त्याप्रमाणे 1 ते 10 नंबर आहेच आहेत. हे 10 आणि वरचे 3 कार्ड वेगळे. 1 ला आपण एस म्हणतोय बघ. प्लेइंग ऑफ कार्ड कोणी खेळत असेल त्यांना माहिती आहे. ठीक आहे, 2 ते 8 मध्ये 1 2 3 4 5 आहेत आणि या प्रत्येकाचे 5 टाइप्स आहेत, 4 टाइप्स आहेत. तर टोटल 20 आहेत. तिचा नंबर आपण काढला. देर आर टोटल 20 बिकॉज 3 इज अवेलेबल in diamond also, is available in club also, is available in spade also, and is available in heart also. So there are total 4 cards having 3 value. There are total 4 cards having 4 value. 4 cards for 5, 4 cards for 6, and 4 cards for 7. So each is count is 20. So 20 cards. So 20 upon what you should taken? You are selecting 52 paiki 2. 52 C2. 52 C2, that is the combination. You have given 52 cards. Among that 52, you are picking up 2 cards. So out of 52, randomly selecting 2. And what is the probability that getting between 2 and 8? Not exactly 2 and not exactly 8. So 20 upon these calculations, you can do it. किती येतं बघा ते कॅल्क्युलेशन करा तुम्ही. 52 C2 तुम्हाला काढावं लागेल त्या अगोदर. 52 C2 is 52 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 50 factorial, 52 minus 2. So it is 52 multiplied by 51 divided by 2. What number is 26 multiplied 51. So what is 20 divided by 26 multiplied 51? So we can write 10 upon 13 into 51. Just calculate that.